Korean dry curry called turkey pepper fry. It is so good. It has the flavors of black pepper, ginger, chilies, a little bit of lemon. It's unexpected, it's unusual, but it's super duper delicious. I'm preparing it today with Butterball Easy Fresh Turkey, and I know a lot of us think that turkey is reserved just for the holidays, but trust me, with something like this, you can have it all through the week. It's such a great source of protein. It's lean, it's really good for you, and Easy Fresh makes it super duper easy to eat it all week long. But before we get started, don't forget to hit me up on my social media channels. You guys know I love that. And of course, if you're looking for that recipe, click that info box down below, expand it out, and everything that you need is there. Let's make some turkey. I'm using Butterball Easy Fresh Turkey breast today, and I love the packaging because look at this. It's vacuum sealed, which means that it holds on to the freshness for a prolonged period of time, and when I have to open it, all I have to do is just peel away like this. How great is that? I'm just gonna cut it into bite-sized pieces. So I'm going to start by creating the flavor base for the turkey, and it's such an unbelievable combination of flavors. So I have a little bit of fresh ginger here, some Thai green chilies, and then on the other end of the spectrum, the reason why it's called a turkey pepper fry is because we're using a lot of black pepper, and I love the flavor of black pepper. It's smoky, it's earthy, and it's going to add such incredible flavor to this turkey. And now I'm going to grind it up until it's nice and smooth. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like when it's ground up. You can really smell the smokiness of the pepper, the ginger's coming through, and of course those green chilies. And this mixture goes just over the top of the turkey. I love those smells already. Now I'm going to squeeze in the juice of a lemon, and I love the bright freshness of the lemon. And the acidity paired together with those other flavors is so good. And I'm going to season with a little bit of salt. And we're just going to mix everything together until it's nice and incorporated. Alright, so my turkey is in the process of marinating. I'm just going to let it hang out for about 10 to 15 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to just chop up some onions. Alright, I'm going to start by adding a little bit of canola oil to the bottom of this pan. It's on medium-high heat. And now we're going to get our onions in there. Ooh. And we're going to cook them out until they're nice and soft. My onions are slightly golden and they've softened up nicely. And to them, I'm going to add my marinated turkey. So I'm going to increase my heat to high, just give this a nice stir, and put a lid on it. And that'll help all the juices come out from the turkey so that we can create a little bit of a dry gravy. Alright, so it's been just a little bit, and as you can see, the turkey has given off a little bit of liquid, which is really great. It's cooked through, and now I'm just going to cook it at the same level of heat, so on high, until it reduces down and all those sort of bits coat the turkey. You want it to sizzle furiously, okay? That's how you know all the bits have gotten caramelized and delicious. And so at this point I'm going to garnish with some fresh chopped coriander, as well as some fresh curry leaves, which is such a signature flavor in South Indian curries. And one more little toss. And our pepper fry is done. I'm so glad that this is a quick recipe because I've been waiting to eat it all day long. The smells coming off this pot, you guys, are sensational. Oh yeah. The coriander, the curry leaves. All right, let's give this a taste, shall we? This is such an unusual curry, and I think for most of you, if you're not South Indian, you may not be familiar with this, but get ready to get familiar with it because it's so good. The flavor of the ginger is nice and fresh and sharp, and the pairing of the heat from the chilies and the heat from the smoky black pepper, it just puts this curry in another world, in another league of its own. turkey in a curry is so, so fantastic. And if you're looking for more recipes featuring turkey and cooking tips with turkey, be sure to head to butterball.ca. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, or anything that you need to let me know, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you later. Bye!